Baik, orang lagi hapan ice cream di tahun ini kayak hapan itu university ice cream di. Denam, lagi pana PPI yang uspok kesan muru ke depan. Denam. Kata-kata apa orang? PPI mau PPI ke security juga dihujungi, hai kisah parmta. Ngi feel insecure, sebab hai kisah par.
But PPI is a direct threat to our security.
Hai kisah par, hai kisah. Nah, feel insecure, hai kisah par.
Datang kata kalau biang kalau ya
Kata lagu anda kamu punya keren. Why do the police department have to be so stubborn? We have negotiated. We have in every possible way tried to negotiate for a
try our
better
best.
solution.
But
But
then
why do we have to be so stubborn? Sir, you have seen that. Sir, you have seen that notification of the Vice Chancellor.
so you have seen the mandate
I
of the
think you
Vice
have read that
Chancellor.
also. You have seen the notification of the Vice Chancellor. You have read
read that
also. I don't see that the Vice Chancellor has allowed certain police personnel to be in the gate. Which administration?
Which administration?
Administration.
Who show us?
Show us. Show us.
State, prove it.
Why? Why now? Why now?
Why now? Why now
For the
the
past
state?
five months when we were in
now
turmoil,
the state?
when we were in turmoil, the
Why
state
now
government
the state?
was not in a position to help us. But now they are giving
no.
their free services and support and resources to the university. No. For the past 5 months we are in turmoil and the state administration has failed to assist us, has failed to support us. Now what they are doing? They're giving every resources. No, this.
No,
This,
sir.
and this is our decision. This is our decision and the decision of the university. This is the decision of the university. The Vice Chancellor has given that notification to leave this university immediately
Please.
with no personnel manning the gate.
Yes.
No personnel to man the gate because the Vice Chancellor has not mentioned anywhere in that notification where she will allow certain police personnel to man the gate. No. We will allow due investigation, whatever protection needed for that particular person, but not in the gate. Don't try to control what is flying in and around the university. No.
Yes,
Please go out now.
please.
We are done negotiating. We are done talking. We are done discussing. Please move out now. The new administration will provide 30, 40, 50 securities also. Bubuan lang ni. Sa power ko dagi dito kamot ay. Ngaro ka kloy ban join kam security ko ng abit ni. Akloy nang ngeki.
Orang pak san pungut lada kisngaw ba? Security jung ikim da potensial pak san pungut.
Hindi outside. Hindi kipulit. Bakit ang pag state jurisdiction din naman?
Police pa dai kila pa yang siapa atong campus undan bakang. Le apa semua
No government sa ba kamdam jurisdiction reh ni tapat kakwa ban pak.
Kamu jadi paper no.
It's a betrayal on the face of the student union!
Judas.
It's a betrayal to us! Shame!
Atau beri kuat buat orang itu ini
And it's a slap to our students community!
Ayeng mo pala ako ni.
Shumi na ba siya? Kamsok?
mem
You can request, you can request them to go out also.